This video will provide an overview of your university requirements. These are requirements that all UC San Diego students, regardless of college or major, will need to complete in order to graduate. All students must complete these 3 university requirements to graduate. For the UC entry-level writing requirement, you would have completed it with your transfer courses. Let's learn about your options for filling the remaining 2 requirements. The second requirement is American History and Institutions, also known as AH&I. The university requires knowledge of American history and/or government. If you graduated from a California high school, your AH&I requirement is complete. If you attended high school outside California, you can clear the requirement with comparable coursework. Please refer to an ERC academic counselor for course options. If you are an international student, please consult with an ERC academic counselor in the fall, and we will explain how you will clear the requirement. The last requirement is Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion, also known as DEI. You can find information about this requirement in the UC San Diego General Catalog, and you can find a complete list of approved courses on the ERC website. This course can overlap with major or GE requirements. Here are some examples of courses students have taken for DEI. In addition to these university requirements, you must also complete certain degree requirements. In order to graduate, you must complete at least 180 total units. Of these 180 total units, 60 must be upper division. Most majors require only 48 upper division units, so you may need additional upper division electives to reach 60 units. Remember, upper division courses are numbered 100 through 199 at UC San Diego. You must also achieve a minimum 2.0 major and overall GPA to graduate. Let's look at a sample degree audit. To access this tool, please log into TritonLink. Your degree audit is a checklist showing all requirements needed for graduation and the courses being used to fulfill those requirements. Items appearing in red indicate they have not yet been completed. Items appearing in blue indicate they have been completed or are in process of being completed. Your overall units and GPA are listed in the header at the top of the page. Your major requirements appear in the left-hand column. If you have any questions regarding your major column, you must consult with your departmental advisor. Your ERC GEs appear in the middle column. In this example, this transfer student is IGETC certified and only needs to complete MMW 21 and MMW 22. If you are IGETC certified, have UC reciprocity, or are GE certified, your degree audit will look like this. You can see whether you were accepted into UC San Diego under a transfer agreement by looking in the top left-hand corner of your degree audit. Your university requirements appear in the right-hand column. If you have any questions regarding ERC GEs or university requirements, please consult with an ERC academic counselor. Let's look at a sample degree audit that has a partial transfer agreement. If you entered UCSD with partial IGETC, this means you are in process of completing your transfer agreement, but are deficient no more than 2 courses prior to transferring to UCSD. Your degree audit will list the missing requirements. Here is a sample degree audit that does not have a transfer agreement. As you can see, some requirements have been fulfilled by transfer coursework as indicated in blue. See an ERC academic advisor if you have any questions about your remaining GE requirements. If you believe you are IGETC or partial IGETC certified, have UC reciprocity, or are GE certified and your degree audit looks like this, check to make sure your certification was sent appropriately. To see a sample long-term plan for your major, you can visit the ERC website. Remember, these are just sample plans, and your transfer courses and academic background information will help your advisors determine what courses you should be starting off with in fall. If you have any questions, use the new student site for e-advising and to check your course recommendations in August. Be sure to watch the General Education Requirements video and the Major Information video so you get the whole picture of your UC San Diego degree.